Imagine waking up to find your entire crypto wallet has drained, literally gone in seconds. No refund, no reversal, just an empty account. Sounds terrifying, right? Well, hackers are constantly coming up with new ways to trick you into handing over your crypto, and today, we're exposing their top scams. Stay with me till the end to learn how to protect your digital assets. The fake recovery scam. A hacker posts in crypto forums or social media saying they lost access to their wallet and desperately need help recovering it. They share a partial seed phrase and ask you to test it, claiming they can't access their funds. How it works: the moment you enter their seed phrase into your wallet, the hacker gets full access to your wallet instead. The partial seed phrase was designed to hijack your funds. How to stay safe: never enter anyone else's seed phrase, ever. Legitimate wallets never ask for your phrase unless you're recovering your own wallet. Fake airdrop scams. You receive an email or social media message saying you've won free crypto or an airdrop from a project you don't remember signing up for. How it works: to claim your reward, they ask you to connect your wallet to their website. Once you do, a hidden smart contract drains all your funds. How to stay safe: verify airdrops from official sources only. Never connect your wallet to unknown sites without research. Malicious wallet apps. You search for a crypto wallet app downloaded from an unverified source and set up a wallet. How it works: these fake apps store your seed phrase and secretly send it to hackers who later empty your wallet without you realizing it. How to stay safe: download wallets only from official websites and app stores. Double check for fake lookalike apps before installing. Fake technical support scams. You're having trouble with your crypto wallet and you post about it online. A support representative from the company messages you offering to help. How it works: they ask for remote access to your device or your seed phrase, pretending to fix the issue, but instead, they steal your funds. How to stay safe: real wallet companies never contact users via direct messages. Official support will never ask for private keys or remote access. SIM swap attack. A hacker contacts your mobile provider pretending to be you and convinces them to transfer your phone number to a new SIM card. How it works: once they have control of your phone number, they can bypass SIMs-based two-factor authentication and access your crypto exchange accounts. How to stay safe: use app-based two-factor authentication like Google Authenticator or Authy instead of SMS verification. Set up a PIN or security question with your mobile provider to prevent unauthorized SIM swaps. Clipboard malware attacks. You copy and paste your wallet address to make a transaction, but a hidden malware on your device replaces it with the hacker's wallet address instead. How it works: you unknowingly send your crypto straight to the hacker, losing everything in an instant. How to stay safe: always double-check wallet addresses before sending crypto. Use security software to scan for Clipboard malware. Fake browser extensions. You install a browser extension for a wallet security upgrade or faster transactions. These fake extensions record your keystrokes, steal your login credentials, or inject malicious code to drain your wallet. How to stay safe: only install browser extensions from official wallet providers. Regularly audit and remove unnecessary extensions from your browser. Dusting attacks. You notice a small, unknown amount of crypto randomly appearing in your wallet. How it works: hackers track these small transactions to identify wallet owners and launch phishing attacks later. How to stay safe: don't interact with unknown small deposits. Use a privacy-focused wallet to hide transactions. How to keep your crypto wallet safe: use a hardware wallet. Cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor are the safest way to store crypto. Enable multi-factor authentication (MFA). Protects your exchange accounts from unauthorized logins. Never share your seed phrase. Treat it like the keys to your bank vault. Never store it online. Be wary of too good to be true offers. If an airdrop, job offer, or giveaway sounds unrealistic, it is a scam. Verify every link and app. Check URLs carefully and download apps from official sources only. Hackers are getting smarter, but now you know their tricks. Have you ever come across a crypto scam? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and follow for more cybersecurity updates.